besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are totally opposites. Today we're starting Advent season.
Yay!
Yay!
Fun fact, I love Advent calendars. Jen doesn't. Jen's the one that's bought the Advent calendar so far.
I have. I've seen some that have interested me.
Yep.
And
we decided before even buying any that we wanted to stick to more drugstore pricing.
Yes.
We're not doing the luxury Charlotte Tilbury crap this year. We are opening Advents that you can afford.
Yeah, that we can afford.
That we can afford. To everybody. Well, hopefully everybody can afford.
So this is going to be MCo Beauty.
Yeah.
This we got from Target. No. Yes, we got this from Target.com. This was $20.
20 or 29?
I think 20.
Okay.
I think 20. And I wasn't aware that everything was going to be
mini.
mini. But MCo Beauty.
For $20, 12.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
You're paying $2 a mini.
MCo Beauty is like your Charlotte Tilbury dupe brand.
Mm-hmm.
Your, what else do they dupe? They dupe Glow Recipe.
They do dupe things.
They do
so
dupe
this
things.
Claims to have a $70 value.
We'll see. We will be the judge of that.
Are you ready?
Yes, give me one.
Okay, number 1. This is what it looks like when you open it, by the way, and it magnets shut. So if you are using it daily as you're supposed to, it's safe. The boxes aren't going to fall out all over.
Yes.
Number 1.
This one is all cock face.
Oh, it says on the back of it what it is. Don't read that.
Okay. So, I mean, we're not going to keep these boxes.
No.
So, all right. Oh, you know what? This is actually super cute. It's like frayed. I don't know why that was interesting to me. It's frayed and then it locked up underneath. Okay. Anyways. All right.
Number 1. I'm just going to say, I've read the back of it. This is an item I'm not sad to get a mini in.
Okay, me neither. This is MCo Beauty Lash, Extend Lash in black.
So this is mascara.
So can you read any
Our
of it?
fan favorite mascara formula. It's a tubing. This pigmented formula helps to define the look of your lashes, creating a lifted and lengthened appearance. This formula can be applied in multiple coats to create your ideal lash look and contains polymers and waxes. So you have found some tubing that you were okay with. Kind of.
So my issue with tubing mascaras is I like them when they're fresh.
Mm-hmm.
And
well, this is little, so it'll be fresh until it's not done.
Yeah. And then once air gets to it and the formula starts changing, I don't like it anymore. So I get a good 2 weeks out of a tubing mascara where I love it and then I don't anymore. So I'll never buy one.
Number 2.
I'm not looking at the back. We're just opening. Oh, that's a little situation. Oh, it's a little mini pufflet.
Mini pufflet.
This is the smallest pufflet in life. It's super cute. If you bake, it will be perfect for the under eye situation. I know you like pufflets. I might leave this here for Shannon because she likes a pufflet. I don't know what to do with a pufflet. So let's move on.
Number 3.
Number 3.
This one I also don't think would be sad to have as a mini. That doesn't really look that mini either.
This is a hair and brow magic wand. Okay, so I do love a brow wand.
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean? Hair?
Let me read this.
Hair and brow?
Bye-bye, pesky Flyaways.
Oh.
It's a 2-in-1 clear gel that works to instantly tame flyaways, baby hairs, and define eyebrows. The flexible silicone comb and clear formula ensures hair looks smooth and sleek, but never feels oily, hard, or dirty.
Okay.
So it's a brow gel.
So we will use it as a brow gel.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Number 4.
Number 4. Are you kidding me? Okay, what is this?
This is the Miracle Flawless Pressed Powder in Translucent. Effortlessly retouch the look of skin for a flawless complexion. So I think you're meant to use this with that. It's just a little baby pressed powder.
Is this the Twilight Zone?
Yes.
Are we getting punked? I've never seen anything smaller than this in all my natural living life.
I love it. It's adorable.
This... Okay, so this is cute.
Hold on.
Okay, so I hope it works well for you. How was your experience?
It's got a mirror.
For what? Like, this is not a mini. This is a
Micro
mini.
This is for Polly Pocket.
Barbie. It's Barbie's.
It's too big for Barbie. My life as American Dolls.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. This is very bizarre. Okay. Okay.
Moving on to number 5.
Let's do 5.
Okay.
Okay. Number 5.
Hand them to me so I can.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. This is the MCo Beauty Cheek and Lip Tint in the color Dusk.
Okay, this is
lips and cheeks a natural pop of a buildable color.
This is actually a color I would probably use if it matches.
And that says mini, but that's a decent. Compared to this.
I can't even take that seriously.
It's got a little sealer on it.
Ooh. Okay, this is nice and deep.
This is, yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
Sounds like an animal in distress. Ooh.
Oh, maybe someone has a mouse.
All right.
I don't think there's any in there.
Oh. Perfect.
Oh, that's much more red than I thought it would be.
It's very pretty, actually. It's a kind of balmy. It is drying down though. Like,
yeah,
feeling it a little bit. It's really light. I'm gonna have to do too much in order to get the amount I want.
Do you like to do too much?
But I do like to do too much. It's pretty. I'm excited to try it.
Is that number 5?
This is 5.
This is the Super Glow. Oh, this is a Drunk Elephant dupe. 100%. Super Glow Golden Drops Skincare Infused Illuminating Serum with a soft golden glow for every skin tone.
Let us see.
Oh.
Oh, this is really light.
Yeah. It's pretty though. That's the kind of thing I would mix into something.
I think this will make me ashy, to be honest. I mean, you can see it, can't you? Where
I think if you diluted it into a moisturizer or something, it might be pretty.
Okay. We'll give her a try. If not, I'll bring her back over.
Yeah, if not for you, then it would definitely work for me.
Okay.
Number 7.
Oh, this feels like a pufflet.
The Magic Slender Sponge. I like a little sponge like that sometimes.
I do too, and I like the feel of it too.
Oh yeah, it's not super silicone-y. It's nice and soft. You're gonna like that.
I am gonna like that. I hope it puffs up nice and giant.
Well, probably not giant. It just small.
A little bigger, biggish.
Number 8.
Oh, this is a Fat Daddy.
Okay. Oh, this is their Miracle Flawless Setting Spray.
Oh no, I hope it doesn't smell like Charlotte. Because Charlotte smells like puke roses. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not offended. I feel like
it has some fragrance.
Yes.
But it's not Grandma's Roses.
It's not, I don't even think it's roses at all, is it?
Mm-mm.
Are you bothered?
No.
No, I'm going to try this and I think I'm going to like this.
I think it smells fine.
I'm
and
hoping
it's not so perfumey that you're going to hate spraying it on your face.
Nope. I hope that it's moisturizing.
It does look like a Charlotte dupe.
It does look like a Charlotte dupe, very much.
It's a multi-purpose setting spray that locks in makeup while delivering radiance and hydration.
Okay.
This beauty essential features a super fine mist and custom atomizer to deliver the perfect amount of product every time. Superstar's glycerin, aloe vera, and camellia leaf extract work together to revive, moisturize, and soothe skin.
Love it.
Yes.
Let's do that. All right.
Number 9.
Oh.
Yeah. This is the Peptide Lip Treatment in Buttercream.
Oh.
More than just a gloss, it's a glaze of juicy peptides. It's the ultimate all-in-one cream oil gloss to instantly hydrate and lock in moisture for the juiciest pout. It's a luxurious, non-sticky formula rich with skincare-powered actives. Cushions lips to visibly plump and smooth fine lines. I think it's plumping by moisturizing.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks thick.
Yeah, it does look thick. Ooh, it's very thick. Holy cow. It smells like a cakey frosting.
Buttercream.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely getting buttercream.
That's definitely like a nighttime.
It's kind of a treatment. It's more of a treatment than a... Is it called a gloss?
It's a peptide lip treatment.
Yeah, it is definitely a treatment.
Delicious.
I know. Can't wait to eat some.
Number 10.
Okay, here's your Milk Makeup Primer situation.
This is their Grip Primer. It's an advanced formula that allows you to build a long-wearing base for your makeup look with its innovative gripping technology. It's a unique, lightweight gel texture, gently fills pores and smooths skin to create an even base.
Okay, so
it looks a little silicone-y.
It does look silicone-y, and it feels silicone-y.
Mm-hmm. It smells like everything else except for the buttercream.
So
I don't hate the way it feels. I don't think it feels super silicone-y.
It's
not silicone-y as in that one.
So I do like that I'm getting a little bit of hydration from it.
Yeah. It's definitely like a sticky primer. It's a grip. It's a grip primer, so it's definitely a little bit sticky.
Oh yeah.
Like. You're either going to love this or you're going to hate it.
I know. I have a feeling it's going to end up back here. I do. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Number 11. That feels empty. Okay. This is the Perfect Pout Lip Liner in Cheeky Chat.
This is Charlotte.
Uh-huh.
Absolutely.
Creates a fuller looking pout in seconds, featuring an ultra flattering nude pink shade for long lasting wear. This pencil glides across lips effortlessly for a luxurious velvety soft finish.
So it's kind of like a brownie pink, like a nude pink. It's not a color I'm afraid of. It's not a color I won't use. It's not my favorite color.
But it's definitely a color.
But it's a color that will find itself in a rotation at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine. In fact, this kind of looks like a Pillow Talk.
I think that's...
Like a Pillow Talk medium, like the two.
Cheeky Chat Pillow Talk.
Okay. Yeah.
Number 12.
Cheeky Chat. Shut up.
That's the color name.
All right. This is 12?
Number 12.
Okay. So this is supposed to be the big daddy.
It's another drunk elephant situation.
Oh, yeah. Oh, here's your bronze.
Super Glow Bronzing Drops. Radiance in a bottle, suit every complexion for a radiant lit from within glow.
Okay, so this is your bronze. That was your highlight. These are different love stories. Ooh, I do like that.
Yeah. I don't know if I got enough to show on camera.
Ooh, there you go. That's enough. All right, I do like this, and I really like the color, actually.
I don't at all.
Oh, no. It's doing too much for you, and I like it. Yes. Okay.
We've got a mess here.
I'm not mad at all.
Okay.
I do, however...
I do wish you had some full size. Like, at
I
least
think
make
that's what I'm
number
missing.
12 a full size.
Yeah.
Because when we look at this on the table, it looks like... It doesn't look like a lot.
No. It doesn't. But... I think I'm going to get a good feel of what the brand has to offer.
Yeah. And for like $20?
For $20, I got a lot of different
things, yes. I think you're going to like this lip treatment.
I do too.
I think you're going to like this liquid lip thing.
I think I'm going to like this.
You're going to think the lip liner's fine.
This makes me laugh and I won't stop ever. And the pufflet to match. Like, what?
But this is enough product for you to know if you're going to like the product. Like,
yes.
This is not an insignificant amount.
No. I think I'm going to have fun with that part.
I appreciate the fact that you didn't get any foil packets.
Yes. I will agree.
Because sometimes
that's
you see those.
So disappointing.
You didn't get, like... Yes, this is a funny little puffer, but it's not unusable.
No. If you do under eye things, it's perfect.
It's perfect for here.
Yeah.
Same with this. This is a little guy, but it's not unusable. And sometimes I prefer a little guy because you can get in.
Yes, in the crevice and cracks.
Yeah. So I think this was pretty good.
Yeah. I'm not disappointed at all.
I think if somebody bought me this as a Christmas gift, it would be a really fun thing.
It was fun. So I feel like I'll get a good take on the brand. I've never tried anything from the brand. So I was kind of excited to see that they did an advent calendar.
Yes.
It's going to be fine. It's going to be fun. Anything that I don't love, I'll bring over here. If she doesn't love it, it goes in the declutter. And our friends get to pick through it and they love that. So
yes. Do you love advent calendars?
Do you love dupes?
Do you love dupes? We love dupes.
We love dupes.
Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.